Hey guys, you might be getting ready to go on a vacation and you might be wondering, can I put my eBay listings on vacation mode, but I don't have a store?
It can be done in a little bit roundabout way, so we're gonna dive into that in just a second.
Get ready, here we go. We're Rob and Melissa with Flea Market Flipper, and we are gonna walk you through the steps on how to get this done before you get out of town.
All right, here we go.
Let's go.
All right, so I am going to show you how to do this without having a store because I don't have a store. So I just have a regular account. I don't list a ton, so I don't need a store. But if we're going to go on vacation, I still want to set my listings to reflect the handling time. So since I don't have a store, I can't put it on vacation mode because that's not an option. But I can, like I said, change the handling time. So we're going to come to the seller hub right here under listings. We're going to go to edit all 20 listings. So we're going to bulk edit and we're going to change the handling time. Continue. So we're going to do my listings and we're going to click all of them. And then we're going to edit fields, come down to handling time, edit listings in bulk, or you can edit them individually, but we want to do them bulk. Handling time, change to, and it gives you an option, same business day. So even if you wanted to just change your listings from 3 business days down to 1, so when you come back, obviously you can change it from whatever it is. So you can go change if you're going to be gone for, a week, then probably do 5 days or 10 days, depending on how much you have for, do for ship it. I would do 10 days though, if you're going to be gone for a week. A weekend, 3 to 4 days. So you just, obviously be able to judge it by how long you're gone and how much handling time you're going to need to when you get back. So say we go 10 business days, we're going to be gone for a week. Save and close. It's going to process and then bring us back to the listings, and then with that, you just have to click submit changes and we'll be all good, and it'll be handling time will be changed. The people, your potential buyers, will see that they're not going to get the item for a week and a half if you're at the 10 days, because it's going to be the handling time plus the shipping time. And if it's an item that they're okay with waiting a week or a week and a half, then that's fine. Some items they will, like people will see something like, oh, that's really cool, it's going to take 2 weeks to deliver, or it's worth it. It depends on what you're selling. So but yeah, you can still definitely make sales while having this, but that is a way to get around not having to have a store and still use vacation and go on vacation. Just change your handling time. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.